Being very closely connected to the OEMs, that gives access to all the latest vehicle platforms and designs, and also the test parameters that the OEMs have in place. So to be an OEM supplier, you need to have a lot of different parameters into place in terms of testing, quality, and as well as fit for purpose.
Does Fram have any involvement in providing filters to original equipment vehicle brands?
Out of all the original equipment brands, 9 out of the 10 manufacturers there in the market, Fram in some way is supplying that, whether they supply the whole suite of different filters for the vehicle or one particular filter. They are involved with 9 out of the 10 of those major manufacturers in the world.
Okay, so that's an impressive number, yeah?
Yeah, it certainly is. As I mentioned, Mark, to be an OEM supplier, you need to have a lot of parameters, and especially quality, supply are very important parameters to OEMs.
Tell me about the multi-million-dollar test rigs.
We have in various countries throughout the world, we have a lot of these OEM test rigs. So the product can be tested in terms of in different environments, as well as being exposed to different countries as well. So it's making that product very much fit for purpose for each country in the world. So it meets the parameters of the OEMs, as well as meeting the environmental parameters of where those vehicles are going to be operating in.
And being tested to specific specifications, and I've got those specifications here now. I'm not going to read them out because they're quite long, but that's significant too, isn't it?
Oh, it certainly is. And each part of the world, North America and Europe especially, have different parameters, and Japan as well, have different parameters in place. So you need to be able to meet these different parameters, and there's always slight adjustments there as well. So that not all those parameters are set in stone. So you need to be able to be quite flexible to meet those parameters set out.